All right, guys, Sports Research sent us their multivitamin. This is their advanced formula. And I tell you what, this thing is packed with ingredients. I don't know if you can see all that, trying to get that close there. But if you haven't, look at the laundry list of ingredients on this guy. It is unbelievably loaded with supplements and daily nutrient support. This is their advanced formula. In here, you have 60 veggie capsules. And you are taking 2 capsules per day, leaving you with a 30-day supply. So love that. This has got a new design for a bottle too. Let's go ahead and open this up. So what we have here, let's go ahead and see if they got any smell to them. It's got that veggie capsule smell. I'm not going to sit here and lie, but I like the pop top. Check that out. I don't know what these things got going on, but the redesign of a pill top is kind of unique right there. So a little bit more details on the bottle itself, so you can see just like that with regards to the nutrients. Again, absolutely packed in here with regards to it. Let's go ahead and see what the pill looks like so we can take, or the capsule looks like. So you are taking 2 of these a day. So in there, you can definitely see, let's see if I can get that back. You can definitely see the actual stuff. Now it is packed to the brim with all the dry ingredients with regards to it, and you would be taking 2 of these a day. So they got a little bit of that veggie style smell. You can smell all that stuff in there, but we're going to go ahead and pop 2 of these and get to seeing what my new daily multivitamin is going to do for me. 23 essential nutrients, daily nutrient support. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with here. Now I got a question for you. Are you the kind of person that puts the pill in your mouth before you drink, or do you drink before you put your pill in your mouth? And my wife would say she does the opposite of me, and the only correct way is like that, in my opinion. So, but at the end of the day, you know what I always say, guys, you got to check out Sports Research, their multivitamin.